Okay, timer starts now. 2 minutes challenge para free iced coffee.
Free iced coffee.
Yan, thank you.
Pag hindi po lumagpas.
Siguro ready na yun, ayun na. Sayang may free iced coffee, 2 minutes challenge ang McDo. Oh. Kaso parang ready na eh. Pagkabot ng tawag dito ng receipt, start na yun.
Ice latte.
1 and 32 seconds. Sobrang bilis.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining, sir.
So, kung hindi ice,
Better luck next time.
pwede ba yung in-answer mo? Kasi ice coffee lang naman.
Thank you po, sir.
Siguro kung may iba pang order, medyo matatagal. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, may may pa-challenge yung McDo, 2 minutes challenge. Pagkaabot ng receipt, start na yung count. Tapos pag natapos na yung 2 minutes at hindi pa nasa-serve, may free iced coffee, sayang. Ang bilis. Pagdating ko naman, naka-ready na yung coffee. Coffee lang daw kasi yung order ko, kaya tapos agad yung pag-prepare. Siguro kung may iba tayong order, ayan, medyo tatagal. Oh, medyo siguro nalampas sa 2 minutes. Sayang. Better luck next time na lang daw. Better luck. Okay, yun lang guys. Good morning. Oh, may pampahappy sa umaga natin, di ba?